In this video, we'll explore how to use the require function in Node.js. This function is essential for loading both built-in and custom modules, and it's a cornerstone of the Node.js module system. Knowing how to use require correctly is important for writing modular and maintainable code. So, what exactly is require? It's a built-in function in Node.js that allows you to load and use modules in your JavaScript applications. Think of it as a way to import code from other files or libraries into your current file, so you can use functions, objects, and variables defined in those modules. Let's look at the basic syntax of the require function. You typically use it like this: const module name equals require module name. Here you're assigning the exported content of a module to a constant variable. For example, to load the file system module, you would write const fs equals require fs. Similarly, to load the path module, you would write const path equals require path. Node.js comes with many pre-installed modules that you can use right away. These built-in modules provide a wide range of functionalities. To load a built-in module, you simply use the require function with the module's name. For example, to use the file system module for file operations, you can write const fs equals require fs. To use the HTTP module for creating servers, you can write const http equals require http. And to use the path module for handling file paths, you can write const path equals require path. Now let's see how to use these built-in modules in practice. First, we require the file system and path modules. Then, to read a file, we can use the readFileSync method from the file system module, like this: fs.readFileSync data.txt utf-8. This reads the contents of data.txt file. To join paths, we can use the join method from the path module like this: path.join__dirname files data.txt. This creates a path to a file named data.txt inside a directory named files. In addition to built-in modules, you can also load your own JavaScript files as modules. To do this, you use the require function with the path to your file. If the module is in the same directory, use a relative path like this: const utils equals require /utils. If the module is in a subdirectory, you can use a path like this: const helpers equals require /lib/helpers. You can also use absolute paths, though it's less common: const config equals require /app/config. Here's an example of how to create and use a custom module. First, in math.js, we define a module that exports an add and a multiply function using module.exports. Then, in app.js, we require the math module using const math equals require /math. Now we can use the functions defined in math.js like console.log math.add53, which would log 8 to the console. Let's recap the key points about using the require function. To load built-in modules, you use require followed by the module name in string quotes, like require module name. To load custom modules, you use require followed by the file path to the module in string quotes, like require /file path. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.